Hi, in this video, we will understand what is the meaning of background keyword. Guys, this is one of the most important interview question that what is background keyword? So let's understand that with the help of one example. So let's say my scenario is, I just want to get onto the contact us page of Roicians. I just want to keep it short and simple. So I will enter values only in this first three fields. And my precondition is I should be on the contact us page of Roicians. So let's see how we proceed with it. I'm going to create a new feature file. So you'll go to the packaged feature, right click on it, new, and create file. Let's say next. I'm naming it as contact us dot feature. And this is the template I got. So my feature is contact us page. And here, title is testing first name. So last name and email. What is the precondition? User must be on contact us page with URL, and let me copy URL from there. So this is the URL, and I'm going to paste it over here. I don't have any other precondition. Step is user must enter valid first name and user must enter valid last name and user must enter valid password, valid email ID. So I'm not looking for any expected results. So I'm just removing this portion here. I want one more scenario. I'm just removing this one, guys. I want one more scenario. So I'm going to just copy this and paste it here. In the second scenario, my precondition is user must be on contact us page, but this time I want to check whether this phone number is displayed or not. So this is what my next scenario is. So instead of this simple, I'm going to use expected result is then contact number is displayed. So I need to cross check whether contact number is displayed or not. So I can create multiple scenarios, but the main thing about background is any of the step which is repeating, mostly it is precondition. I can set it into the background keyword and I need not to specify those steps or those preconditions over here. So look at this. In my both of the scenario, this is common that user must be on contact us page. User must be on contact us page. What if I keep it in the background? That background is user must be on the contact us page, and then we want to execute these steps or this step. So I don't want to type my common steps again and again. So anything which is common in particular feature, you can set it in the background. So if you read here also, background list of step run before each of scenario. So whatever you will specify in background will be executed before each and every scenario. It's just like at the rate before method. And whatever you want to execute before each and every scenario, you can specify that in background. So list of steps run before each of the scenarios. So how I can do that? We can specify that after this feature. I'm just removing this line because I don't need that. Here you can write background. And you can specify this step. Background is user must be on contact us page. Given this particular line. Now, because I've specified it over here, I need not to put it inside my scenarios. So this common line I can remove from my scenario. Let's make it pretty format. So this is my background. This is my precondition that user must have this, and both of them don't have any precondition. So I can write down I can write down when click on contact number and check whether it is displayed or not. So let's say I execute this, run as Cucumber feature, click on OK. And see here, two scenarios, both of them are unidentified, but look at this. Given user must be on contact us page with URL this for scenario number 1. For scenario number 2, also the same step is repeated. You need not to type it again and again. It will be repeated because it is part of your background keyword. So whatever you have specified in background, this line will be executed before each scenario. So when we execute this, I'm again going to show you before every scenario. First step is whatever you have specified in your background keyword. This here also. So this is the meaning of background. In simple word, guys, if you think any of the precondition is there, which is repeating for every scenario, you can specify that in background. Whatever you will specify in background will be visible to the user. For example, there is a scenario that user must be log in and then he should be able to perform this action. So you cannot write steps to log in again and again. In fact, you can write down those steps in background so that you need not to repeat it in the scenarios. Whatever you will specify in background will be executed before each scenario in that feature. That's all for this video. Thanks for now.